How to fix Cash App won't let me add debit card. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If a Cash App is not letting you add your debit card, first and foremost check if your debit card number is valid. Sometimes when you mistype the debit card number, expiration date or the CVV, Cash App will simply not let you add your debit card. Once you have checked for it, and if that's not the issue, follow this next step. Start off by opening your phone settings. In your phone settings, scroll down until you see apps and click on it. Head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Cash App. Tap on Force Stop and head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. While you are in your phone settings, you can head back to the main settings option. Scroll down and tap on System Update. Make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of Cash App or any other applications. So this is how you solve the issue of your Cash App not letting you add your debit card. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Make sure to hit the subscribe and like button for more helpful tutorials.